Hello everyone. Welcome to Introduction to AI Part 2 for beginners. In the last video, we have seen about AI and what AI can do and how AI process the data. Let's deep dive more on that. We have already seen what AI can do. Now let's see what AI can't do. AI can make decisions based on data only. Without data, AI is nothing. AI can generate pictures, music based on the patterns it has learned. There is no true creativity here. It doesn't imagine or have real thoughts like how human mind does. It does not understand human emotions or feel anything. For example, if a frustrated customer is calling the customer care for some issue, then AI will repeat the same answer like I will understand your problem or will try to help you, but it cannot give the real solution unless some automated thing happens. Yeah, the final point is AI cannot understand human emotions. The thing is, AI can do many things faster than humans, but it cannot replace human workers. Because of the fact that it cannot understand human emotions and there is no true creativity, but it can help us to do our job in a better way. That's how we need to utilize AI. So, how AI works? The basic idea is to feed a huge amount of data like pictures of cat or dog. Here, the data you have provided, the AI system will analyze these data, learns to recognize the patterns and makes decisions. The more data you provide, the result will be more accurate. Yeah, in our real life, you don't even know how AI is used in these areas. So, where it is used in our day to day life. The first application is virtual assistant. So we try to control our home and phone using Alexa or OK Google. The next one is recommendation system. Yeah, in Netflix or Amazon, after you watch some movie, you will get the suggestion related to the same genre, right? Yeah, this uses MLA. The next one is image recognition. So Google Lens or CCTV is used to identify the people faces to recognize the images. Here they have used NML. The next one is language translation. Yeah, the Google Translator. You should have already used it, right? For translating English to any other language or any language to English. Here also AI is being used. The next one is automatic vehicles. Yeah, AI is used for navigating and automatic parking of all these vehicles. And all these are based on AI. These are the different things how AI is used in our day-to-day life. We don't even know how AI is playing a major role in our day-to-day life. It's working with us, it's working around us in many ways without even realizing it. As I told you earlier, in some ways AI is integrated into our life, like our mobile phone, OK Google, Facebook for content customization, Instagram for accommodation, Flipkart, Amazon for recommending products to us, YouTube, Netflix for giving suggestions, and all these are using AI without our realization. In this scenario, why we need to learn AI? Because AI is already sitting with us. We have it in a smartphone, car, etc. Then why we should learn it? Studying AI is essential for anyone who is interested in solving the real world problems using technology. We can solve the real world problems in many ways, but the current trend is that we have more data right now with the implementation of cloud technology. So that AI is best fit for that. We can also use AI to automate and perform tedious tasks. If the same task is assigned to humans, it will be very difficult and they will take a lot of time so that it can improve efficiency and reduce the cost associated. And the important thing is we can use our precious time for something better. Yeah, this is a game AI for Oceans, and I have uploaded this game in my YouTube channel Decoding for Kids. By playing this game, you will get a clear idea of how to program or train AI in order to identify the sea creatures and garbage. So I have given the link in the description. Please do watch the video. Yeah, hope you all know about ChatGPT and Gemini. To understand the technology behind this, the answer is generative AI. It's designed to create unique text or image results in response to user prompt. So, for example, if you're searching something in Google, you will get a lot of results and lot of links will be available. And you have to search for the correct answer. But in this, it uses the machine learning to return an output based on the user prompt. So we will see in detail about this in the next video. Thanks for watching.